Unit 37, the new secretary.
The letters are ready, Mr. Gordon. Shall I tell the office boy to post them?
Yes, please, Miss Fields. Don't forget that all letters to other countries go by registered post. Air mail, of course.
Yes, sir. Shall I take the money for the stamps from petty cash?
That's right. What else have you got for me to see?
Bills. Telephone, gas, and electricity bills.
Leave them with me. What's the other one?
This is a receipt.
For what?
The rent, sir. Shall I file it with the others in Miss Spencer's cabinet?
Yes, please. Remember that all receipts in the cabinet are in alphabetical order.
I know that, sir. Is that all, Mr. Gordon?
Yes, that's all. Oh, by the way, Miss Fields, Mr. Clark says that the office boy uses the vacuum cleaner in the bathroom.
Yes, he does, Mr. Gordon. I was going to tell you that. Shall I talk to him about it?
Yes, please, Miss Fields. Thank you.
Shall I post the letters today? Shall I tell him the news? Shall I talk to him about it? Shall I file the receipts for you? Shall I write him a letter? Shall I tell her to wait? Shall I prepare breakfast for you now? Shall I do that now?